How do he chance asleep? Not really.
Okay, I'll be asleep.
Aww. How do chance asleep? With Kuma-chan! Even more adorable. Haru-chan! You're so adorable! Oh my gosh!
This would be called official harassment.
No, it's not! It's not! No!
Gosh, and I'm asleep too. Ah, it's gonna die. It's got a hole.
I know. I thought if I pulled a string it might make... Like there were some loose strings. I thought if I pulled one it might tighten it up, but no, it just created a hole.
Matthew.
It's my female cat, Matthew.
No.
Matthew. She's like, what?
She's like, get on my face, okay? I hate you. No, shut up, man, go away.
She would never say that to me. She loves me and she knows it. Bouncy, 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 bouncy. Oh, I'm falling. What is there to record that's YouTube worthy?
I have no.
You're an awesome Haruhi, and Honey's an awesome Honey. I'm a terrible Tamaki.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Good Tamaki.
I'm a terrible Tamaki.
Oh, you're a good Tamaki.
Terrible.
Good.
Terrible.
Good.
Terrible.
Good.
Terrible.
Good.
Terrible.
Your mom's terrible.
Face is terrible. I'm sorry, Haru-chan.
No.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
It was under the keyboard. Whoa. Tamaki's a lame-o. Oh. What's the matter? I'm a terrible Tamaki. No, you're not. Yes, I am. 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 No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. Yes. No. How about this? YouTubers, leave a comment telling me if I'm a good Tamaki or not. I really don't care what you say. Be honest, please. Thank you. Prove Haruhi wrong, because I am a bad Tamaki and I know it. No, you're not. Yes, I am. No, he's not. I mean, cheap. I don't know anymore. Tamaki's not a girl. What are you talking about? We don't know our genders anymore. Yeah, seriously. I don't know if I'm cosplaying, because I'm cosplaying a girl, cosplaying a girl, cosplaying a guy. So I don't exactly know what I'm doing here. So. But technically you're cosplaying the guy that Haruhi's cosplaying, if you think about it. I'm getting ready to like fall back in this chair. Oh my gosh! That was so mean. I'm sorry, Haru-chan. Well, like, get me up first. Gosh. Tamaki's macho. Macho man. Honey, I'll give you a piggyback ride. Are you serious? Yes. Right now. Fine, tomorrow or Tuesday or whenever we go to that one place. Just whenever. La 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 la. And by the time this gets on YouTube, probably since I'm so lazy, tomorrow will probably be Tuesday. Yeah. But yeah, seriously, leave a comment. This is a good Tamaki. I'm not a good Tamaki, I know I'm not. My hair needs to be blonder. I'm a girl, and my cosplay is short. Your mom's a girl. My mom is a girl. I know. That's exactly why I said it. Everybody's mother's a girl. Are you sure? Yes. What if my mom's not a girl? She is. They're either girls or like those transsexual things. They're like both. How many minutes can your camera record? 2 minutes. It'll start turning red when we're almost out of time. Yeah, it's turning red right now. Oh, crap. Bye. We are brain dead. We can think of nothing to do.
Give us ideas.
Yeah, comment, give us ideas, send messages.
Give us random skit ideas. We'll do them. I don't care. Because as long as it's, yeah. I think you guys know 30 minutes, so.
Yeah, either comment, email us at our separate emails, because we're not on this account very much. We should be, but we're not. And I'll put our YouTube accounts over to the side, because Tomke is the manager of the account mainly, because Haruhi's lazy. Got really nothing else to do. We have about 2 minutes before Haruhi has to leave anyway.
So, give us ideas, skits, whatever.
Yeah, we're gonna do a skit for MTech and we need ideas.
Or just random skits that we could do.
Yeah, we're not just gonna be Tomke and Haruhi though. We're gonna have a Honey, possibly some twins, maybe a Kyoya, and we're searching for Mori. If you're going to MTech and you think you could possibly be Mori, please be Mori and meet us there. We need a Mori. You have to be tall.
Yeah,
Honey's
Honey wants
picky.
to climb on a Mori, so.
As long as you're okay with little girls climbing on you. Even though she's not, she's little, but she's not young.
That's a cute little.
Gay guys. I don't know.
I don't know. I never asked Mori what his orientation was.
Good point.
But I don't know.
Don't know.
I think he likes Honey though.
Yeah, he likes Honey. It's like my favorite couple.
I like the twins. I'm sorry.
I like the twins too, but
I have to say the twins. Oh, they were good twins at MTech.
yeah, I know. We should be twins one year.
We should.
Yeah.
That'd be cool.
Yeah, it would be cool. Maybe not next year, but the year after. What to do, what to do.
Give us ideas.
Yeah, give us ideas. And we're being really repetitive. Bye!
Bye!